everyone, this is Lomi, and today I'm super excited to be opening up an awesome accessory in a really hard to open box. Wow, this would probably work better if it was standing upright, but I don't want my address to be visible. That little sticker on the front though is totally cute. Anyway, I love doll-sized accessories, and in here I've got a doll-sized Ita bag and pins from Daymare. I've been dying to see this package arrive and got a little antsy when the weather slowed it down. Backpacks and handbags that work for bigger dolls can be super hard to find, and these are absolutely perfect for 1/3 scale BJDs. So when I heard from Jess, the artist behind Daymare's custom Ita bags and pins, I knew I would love these. The whole brand is very pastel goth, which I adore, because even though I try to pretend to be an adult and a good parental figure, I feel like that goth phase is kind of a permanent addition to some of our hearts, and that definitely includes me. Right now the bags come in two colors, a really pretty shade of purple and holographic. They were originally designed to be keychain bags, which is a cool idea, so they've got a removable keyring on top. The loop it fastens to is easy to tuck down, so it's not visible when it's on a doll. Anytime you have something small enough to be doll-sized, functionality and quality tend to become a problem because everything is really tiny, so it's much harder to work with, and I'm really happy to say that that isn't a problem at all with these. The materials are really nice, super soft and flexible, the zippers glide smoothly, and while the pocket where the pins go is small, it's not hard to get into. These bags are actually pretty deceptive in sizing because they don't look huge, but there's actually quite a bit of space inside. I could definitely fit a couple extra doll accessories in here, like some hats or scarves, or even an extra pair of shoes. The bag comes with a piece of stiff felt about the size of my palm for pins to be put in, and even though it's little, it's not difficult to get this pin backing in and out even with the pins on it. The pins themselves are also really beautiful quality, and I actually love that they have purple clasps because it's so perfect for the whole theme. I have a link to the Daymare shop where these came from in the video description, where you can find these bags and a lot more designs of pins. It fits these three really nicely, but if you're determined, you could definitely squeeze more pins in here, probably quite a few. This would actually be a great place to store extra doll hands when I'm doing photo shoots, because they'd be protected in there, and I would also be able to get to them easily. The straps on the backpacks are not adjustable, but that doesn't seem to be an issue because they're basically exactly the right length for all my 1/3 scale girls to put them on and wear them, and have it fit appropriately and look really realistic. I picked out the holographic one in particular for Laylee because I feel like she'd definitely be the type to have an Ita bag. I wanted to make an outfit to go with it, and while I had hoped to have it ready to show off with her bag when it got here, I didn't get much farther than the idea of making something Lolita with a lot of ruffles in the skirt, because I didn't end up having any fabric handy in the colors that I liked with the pastels and the pins. I'll be making this dress in the coming week and sharing the pattern so we can make one together, which is actually pretty perfect because thanks to Jess and her incredible generosity, I've got two bags, right? The hollow one is for Laylee, but the purple one is for one of you. I'm holding the giveaway for the purple bag on Instagram, and you can find a link to that post and all the additional information and giveaway rules in the video description below. I'll be back next week with a pattern and a tutorial for the outfit I'm making to go with it, and in 2 weeks I'll share the winner. And that's all for today though. Thanks for watching, and good luck! Bye!